If your Google Drive is running out of space, this video will show you the fastest way to clear it and free up storage without wasting time hunting through every single file. We'll use Google's built-in storage management tools to find the biggest space hogs, review what you no longer need, and permanently remove trash so you can reclaim as much space as possible. If this guide helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick tech tutorials. Alright, let's get started. First, open your browser and go to one.google.com/storage. This is Google One's storage page, and it gives you a clear overview of how much space is being used across Drive, Gmail, and Google Photos. Once the page loads, look for the option that says Clean Up Space and click it. This takes you into Google's storage cleanup tools, which are designed to help you quickly find files you can delete. Next, click on Google Drive. This is where you'll manage files that are taking up space inside your Drive account. Google will show you files and folders that are stored in Drive, and you can preview them before deleting anything. Take a moment here to review what you actually need and what can be removed. If you see large files, old uploads, duplicates, or documents you no longer use, those are great candidates for deletion. Now go through the files one by one. Select the tick box next to each file you want to remove, then click Delete. Delete. This sends the file to trash, which is an important step because deleting from Drive doesn't always free up space immediately. It usually moves the file into the trash first, so you still need to clear that out afterward. Be careful here, because once you permanently delete a file, you won't be able to recover it unless you have another backup. After you've deleted the files you no longer need, go back and click on Files in Trash. This section is where removed files stay before they are permanently deleted. If you leave them here, they can still count toward your storage usage for a period of time. So this is the step many people miss when they wonder why their storage didn't go down. Now open the trash files list and review what's inside. If you're sure you no longer need anything in there, click Delete All. This permanently clears those files and helps free up your Google Drive storage right away. Once that's done, your available space should update, and you'll have more room for new files, emails, and uploads. And that's it. You've now cleared Google Drive storage using Google's own cleanup tools. If this video helped, please give it a like and subscribe for more step-by-step tutorials just like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.